What is time blocking?
Time blocking is a productivity method where you divide your day into set blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or group of activities. Instead of working from an open-ended to-do list, you plan exactly when you'll do each thing. This approach helps limit distractions, keep you focused, and ensure that your highest priorities receive your attention.
Why use time blocking?
Time blocking can transform how you manage your day. By setting aside uninterrupted periods for tasks, you avoid multitasking and reduce wasted time. Scheduling tasks in advance creates structure and boosts accountability, making it less likely that important work gets pushed aside by last-minute distractions or less critical activities.
How to get started with time blocking?
Begin by listing your key priorities and daily tasks. Then, look at your calendar and assign each a specific block of time. Include breaks and buffer zones to handle unexpected events or to recharge. Make your schedule realistic. There's no need to fill every minute. The goal is to create a balanced plan that keeps you on track.
Tips for effective time blocking.
Stay flexible. Sometimes plans need to change. Be ready to adjust blocks if new priorities arise. Color code your tasks for clarity and use alarms or calendar reminders to stay on schedule. Review your day each evening to see what worked and where improvements can be made. Over time, your time blocking skills will get stronger.
Time blocking for lasting productivity.
When practiced consistently, time blocking can help reduce stress, sharpen your focus, and increase overall productivity. By taking control of your schedule, you give every important task a defined space in your day. Try time blocking for a week and notice the difference it can make in organizing your life and reaching your goals.